English online class. For class 1 please check out your English textbook. This is your textbook, a new leaf. In the previous class we are doing the chapter number 7, my grandmother. So I am repeating, in the previous class we are doing the chapter 7, my grandmother, page number 68. So we have completed the chapter and the hard words in the book we have also completed. Now today we will do the rest of the question and answer. So I am repeating the chapter once again in a summary, that Aarti, a cute little girl, was waiting for her grandmother to come to her home to meet her. She waited her grandmother, but suddenly Uncle Gupta came, so she disappointed. But after some time, she was disappointed, and how to just wasted time by waiting her grandmother, she just went to her mother to her, asking her to, please mother, can I make food for my grandma and can I make cards for her? How I will spend my time in waiting for her grandmother. So, but finally her grandmother came to her and she was very happy, and tightly she hugs her, and they all went for their lunch, and after completing their lunch Aarti told her grandmother, please grandma, tell me some stories. As her grandmother brought storybooks for her, she told her grandmother to tell some stories, but grandma was so tired, she cannot able to tell her stories and fell asleep. So this is the summary of this chapter. Now we will do the rest of the question and answer. So the first question is, who cleaned grandmother's room? The first question is, who cleaned grandmother's room? So Aarti, A-A-R-T-I, Aarti cleaned, C-L-E-A-N-E-D, Aarti cleaned grandmother's, G-R-A-N-D-M-O-T-H-E-R-S, grandmother's room. So the first question is, who cleaned grandmother's room? Answer will be, Aarti cleaned grandmother's room. I am repeating, Aarti cleaned grandmother's room. The next is number B. Aarti runs to open the door. Who has come? Aarti runs to open the door. Who has come? So the answer will be Uncle Mr. Gupta. Mr. Gupta, G-U-P-T-A, Mr. Gupta has come. H-A-S, has come, C-O-M-E. I am repeating the answer. Aarti runs to open the door. Who has come? So the answer will be, Mr. Gupta has come to her home. Number C. Why did grandmother come late? Why did grandmother come late? Answer will be G-R-A-N-D, grandmother comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes late, L-A, late, because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because she, S-H-E, she missed, M-I SSED, missed her bus, BUS. Grandmother comes late because she missed her bus. Number D, what does grandmother likes to eat? What does grandmother likes to eat? So the answer will be grandmother, GRAND, grandmother, MOTHER, grandmother likes to eat, LIKES, likes to eat green, GREEN, vegetables, VEGETABLES, green vegetables. I am repeating the answer. Grandmother likes to eat green vegetables, VEGETABLES, vegetables. You can break the word vegetable in two parts. First one will be veggie, VEGE, veggie, TABLES, then it will be easier for you. Number E, what gift did grandmother brings for Aarti? What gift grandmother brings for Aarti? So what grandmother brings? Grandmother brings storybook for Aarti. Grandmother, GRAND, grandmother, MOTHER, grandmother. In the similar way, we can also break the word grandmother. As it is a big word, you can divide the words in two parts. First one will be grand, then mother. Grandmother, then the spelling will be easier. GRAND, grand. After that mother, MOTHER, grandmother. So these big spellings will be easier for you. So grandmother brought, BROUGHT. Here it is written brings. So we have to change the tense. Bring, it will be brought. Grandmother brought storybooks, STORY, storybooks, BOOKS, books, for Aarti, AARTI, Aarti. I am repeating the number D answer. Grandmother likes to eat green vegetables. Number E, grandmother brought storybooks for Aarti. So we have completed the question answer. Now comes to the number 2. Read the sentence and write whether they are true or false. So the first one is Aarti is waiting for her neighbor. For whom did Aarti was waiting? Yes, it's grandmother, not neighbor. So the first one will be false. FALSE. Aarti was waiting for her grandmother, not neighbor. Number B, Aarti's grandmother comes by car. Is Aarti's grandmother comes by car? No, by bus. That's why she missed her bus. The second one will be also be false. FALSE, false. Number C, Sonia has cooked spinach and potatoes. What did Sonia cooked? Sonia cooked spinach and beans. You can see in the page 69, I have cooked spinach and beans, not potatoes. The third one is also false. FALSE. Number D, Aarti solves all the addition sums. Is Aarti solved all the addition sums? Yes. She have to complete her homework. That's after completing her homework, then she will spend time with her grandmother. That number D is true. T-R-U-E, true. Number E, Aarti wants to make a card for her grandmother. Yes, it will be true. So I am repeating the exercise again. Aarti is waiting for her neighbor. No, it will be false. For her grandmother. She was waiting for her grandmother. Number B, Aarti's grandmother come by car. No, she was coming by bus. It is also false. Number C, Sonia has cooked spinach and potatoes. No, she cooked spinach and beans. Number C is also false. Number D, Aarti solved all the addition sums. Yes, she has solved all the addition sums. Number D will be true. Number E, Aarti wants to make cards for her grandmother. Yes, she made a card for her grandmother. And number D is also true. 7. My grandmother. We have summarized the chapter and the question answer has been also done and exercise is also done. Now we will do exercise B. Sort this means of transport into the correct column. Here some transport has been given: aeroplane, submarine, helicopter, truck, train, bus, car, rocket, boat, van, yacht, ship. These are the transport, and here is the 3 columns. It has been divided into 3 columns. First one is air transport, second one is land transport, and third one is water transport. So we have to find which transport we will put in the columns. So first make a column like this, 3 columns. Just divide the 3 columns. At the top write air transport, land transport and water transport. Now we have to understand which transport should be put in the 3 columns. So first one is aeroplane. Where we can see aeroplane? In the air. In the air you can see the aeroplane. So aeroplane will be put in air transport. Aeroplane will be put in the air transport. What is the spelling of aeroplane? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Now comes the submarine. Where we see the submarine? Submarine is seen in water, under the water. Submarine floats under the water. So submarine, S-U-B-M-A-R-I-N-E, submarine we can put in the water transport column. Submarine is put under the water transport column. Now comes helicopter. H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. Where we see the helicopter? In the air. We can see helicopter in the air. So helicopter we will put in the air transport. I am repeating the spelling: H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. You can divide the big word into small parts, it will be easier for you. So the first one will be heli, H-E-L-I, heli, C-O-P, cop, T-E-R, helicopter. Now comes the truck. Where we see truck? On the road. So road means land. So truck we will put in the land transport. Truck. What is the spelling of truck? T-R-U-C-K, truck. Now comes the train. It is also a land transport. Here is the train in the land transport, T-R-A-I-N, train, T-R-A-I-N, train. Now comes the bus. It is also a land transport, B-U-S, bus. Car, It's a land transport. C-A-R, car. Rocket. Where we see the rocket? In the air. So rocket will be in the air transport column. What is the spelling of rocket? R-O-C-K-E-T. Rocket. Again, you can divide the word into two parts. Raw, R-O-C, raw, ket, K-E-T, ket. Rocket. If you see a difficult word, you can just break the word into two forms. It will be easier for you. So again repeating, rocket, R-O-C, raw, K-E-T, ket, rocket. Now comes the boat. Boat is a water transport. B-O-A-T, boat, under the water transport column. Van, V-A-N, van, it's a land transport. So under the column of land transport, we wrote the V-A-N, van. Now comes the yacht. Yacht is a speedboat like type. It floats on the water. So it's a water transport. Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. I am repeating the spelling. Y-A-C-H-T, chat, yacht. Number 4, ship. Ship is a water transport. Yes, ship is a water transport column. S-H-I-P, ship. So I am repeating the exercise once again. Under the column of air transport, aeroplane, H-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. Helicopter, H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R, helicopter. And rocket, R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Under the column of air transport, we can see aeroplane, helicopter, rocket. Now comes to the land transport. Under the column of land transport, we can see truck, T-R-U-C-K, truck, T-R-A-I-N, train, B-U-S, bus, C-A-R, car, V-A-N, van. Now comes the water transport. Under the column of water transport, you can see submarine, S-U-B, sub, M-A-R-I-N-E, marine, submarine. Again you can divide this word into three parts. S-U-B, sub, M-A, marine, R-I-N-E, marine, submarine. Now comes the number 2, boat, B-O-A-T, boat. Number 3, yacht, Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Number 4, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. So we have completed B exercise B1. Now we will do B2. Here it is given, complete the crossword puzzle using the opposites of the words given as clues. So some words has been given in both the sides. We have to take out the opposite of these words and cross and solve the puzzle. So number 1 is top, T-O-P, top. So what is the opposite of top? Yes, it's bottom. So here is number 1 and the opposite will be bottom. The spelling of bottom is B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. The opposite of top is bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Now comes number 2. Here is the 2 and the opposite of high is low. Number 2, low. What is the spelling of low? L-O-W. O already has given. L-O-W. Opposite of low, high is low. Number 3, less. Here comes down, less. Opposite of less is more. Already M has given. We have to complete the spelling. M-O-R-E, more. Now comes number 4. 4 is dirty. Opposite of dirty is clean. Number 4 and the word C has been given. So we have to complete the spelling and the spelling is clean. The spelling of clean is C-L-E-A-N. A already has given. Now comes number 5, sad, and the opposite of sad is happy. Number 5, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. And number 4, go, opposite of go is come, C-O-M-E, come. I am repeating. Number 1 is bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, bottom. Number 2, low, L-O-W, low. Number 3, more, M-O-R-E, more. Number 4, C-L-E-A-N, clean. Number 5, happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. I am writing the opposites. Top, bottom, B-O-T-T-O-M, its opposites, O-P-P-O-S-I-T-E-S, its opposites. Top, number 1, bottom. Number 2, high, H-I-G-H, high. It will be low, L-O-W, low. Number 3, less, L-E-S-S, less. It will be more, M-O-R-E, more. Number 4, dirty, D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. It will be clean, C-L-E-A, and clean. Number 5, sad. It will be happy, H-A-P-P-Y, happy. Number 6, go, come. So these